Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a Windows laptop, Windows 10 laptop. The first thing we do is search for XAMPP. Sorry, not CAMP, XAMPP. XAMPP. And it can be found at this website here, apachefriends.org. XAMPP is an Apache web server plus a Mario database, which is similar to MySQL, plus PHP, which is the web language, the web server language that WordPress uses. It's got Perl as well. I'm just going to download, install the Windows executable for it. It's just downloading now, down the bottom here. And then we execute the installation program. Yes, I want to make changes. My Norton has just told me that it's safe. It just takes a little while to get going. I think it's come up with something here. Yeah, okay. So it's obviously spotted I've got an antivirus running, which is fine. It may make it go a bit slower. Don't want to continue with the installation. Yes. Activate a user account on your system. Some functions possibly restricted. I'm not sure what that is, but I found that it works okay anyway. So go into the setup wizard. I don't really want FileZilla. I don't really want Mercury Mail Server or Tomcat. So I want Apache, MySQL, PHP. I don't need Perl. PHP MyAdmin I don't need fake XAMPP or Webalizer. So we've got Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP MyAdmin are the components that are required. Next, set up the folder where you want it to go, and I've set a folder here called XAMPP in the root directory. English. So now, do I want any information from Bitnami? No, I don't. I don't think we want that. Next. It's now ready to start installing, so next. And then we wait for the installation to take place. Here we go. So do I want to start the control panel now? I'll say yes. What that will start up is XAMPP's control panel, which is what we've got here, which basically lets you start up Apache web server and MySQL. Those are the two things that we want to run. So I'll start that up. Starting Apache and starting MySQL. Now we can test that the web server's actually running by heading over to localhost. And if that's displayed, if you get that displayed on localhost, then that means the web server's running. So that's fine. Let's test it okay. So the next thing we need to do is create a database ready for WordPress to use. So we'll go back to the control panel here, and under MySQL, click on admin, and that will start up PHP MyAdmin, which is an interface to MySQL. Click on databases, and then we want to create a database. So I'm going to give it the name, I'll give it the name WordPress, and just create. database WordPress created. There's no tables in it, but there's just a database there, and that's fine. We can then close that off. Next thing we want to do is get hold of WordPress itself. So to do that, we head over to wordpress.org, get WordPress, and we'll download the latest release. That's downloaded a zip file. If I open the zip file, I then want to extract everything's in that directory. I want to extract all, and I want to extract it into one of the XAMPP folders that have been created. So I go to where XAMPP has been put. In this folder inside XAMPP, the one I want is htdocs. Open up htdocs, and that's the folder where I'm going to put the WordPress files. So select folder htdocs and extract. It'll then extract all the WordPress files into that folder. In fact, it'll be in a folder called WordPress inside htdocs, which is exactly what we want to do. Okay, that's that done. So if we look at what we've got here, so this is XAMPP, htdocs, there's a folder called WordPress. If I open up that, those are all the WordPress files and directories, which is what we want. Okay, so then to do the initial configuration of WordPress, what we need to do is go to localhost, slash WordPress, which is where the files were put. And this then starts the WordPress installation. So we want English UK, and then we're going to need to enter the database details that we set up. So the database name is WordPress, which we created. Username, I didn't create a user, so we're going to use root, and we're going to have no password, and we're going to have localhost and wp/. It doesn't matter because it's a local installation, it doesn't matter that we've got root username and no password. Obviously you wouldn't do that on a server, live server somewhere. Submit that information and then run the installation. So I'll enter the site title first. We'll call it local website. Username, let's say admin. Password will leave blank. It's just a local installation, so it doesn't matter. Put my email in. Oh, it looks like I need a password, sorry. Password, I'll put password. Confirm use of weak password. And install WordPress. That's it. Log in. Admin. Password. And that's the dashboard. There's the default admin dashboard of WordPress. To view the actual site, if I go up to local website and visit site, that's the site. That's the default 2021 theme that WordPress include in their installation. If I log out from the admin, then and then go back to the website, there we are. That's the local website that's been installed. Okay, thanks very much.